Clear the obstacle. Mastering challenges in English and life. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, clear the obstacle. This expression is not just about language learning but also carries a deep meaning in everyday life. Whether you're navigating through your English language journey or facing challenges in various aspects of life, understanding and using this phrase can be incredibly empowering. So, let's get started and explore how to clear the obstacles in your path. Clear the obstacle is a phrase that metaphorically means to remove barriers or solve problems that are in your way. The word clear in this context means to remove something that is blocking or hindering progress. An obstacle, on the other hand, refers to any barrier, difficulty, or challenge that prevents you from achieving your goals. When we use this phrase in everyday English, it often relates to overcoming challenges. This could be anything from solving a complex problem at work, to overcoming a personal fear, or even mastering a difficult topic in English language learning. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. 1. In personal development. After months of hard work and dedication, she was finally able to clear the obstacle of her fear of public speaking. 2. In professional settings, the team worked together to clear the obstacle of the tight deadline, ensuring the project was completed on time. 3. In learning and education, he cleared the obstacle of the English language barrier by practicing every day and immersing himself in the language. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in various contexts to describe overcoming different kinds of challenges. Learning English, like any language, comes with its set of obstacles. Here are some tips to help you clear these obstacles. Set clear goals. Define what obstacles you're facing in your learning journey and set specific, achievable goals to overcome them. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Regular practice can help clear the obstacle of unfamiliarity with the language. Seek support. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Joining language learning groups or finding a study partner can make the journey easier. Embrace mistakes. View mistakes as opportunities to learn rather than obstacles that stop your progress. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and applications of the phrase, clear the obstacle. Remember, whether it's in language learning or life, facing obstacles is a universal experience. But with determination and the right strategies, you can clear any obstacle that comes your way. We hope this video has been helpful and inspires you to tackle your challenges head-on. Until next time, keep learning and keep clearing those obstacles.